The Dollar Tree actually has a ton of really cute hair accessories. I love the color scheme of these two-toned elastics. They also have a ton of great options for scrunchies. I love these smaller dainty scrunchies, and then of course these classic colorful scrunchies. They also have a ton of different candles, so you can definitely stock up. These rug underlays are an awesome find because they're only $1. Lint rollers are always great to have, especially if you're a pet parent. They also have a ton of toiletry essentials like this little kit here. These magic erasers are absolutely amazing, and you can stock up because they're only $1. The Dollar Tree is a great place to buy nail polish because those can actually get really expensive. I've been using this brand here, LA Colors, and it works super well. They also have a great selection of candy and snacks, perfect for movie nights. Lastly, they have the best deal in town for hangers.
So I'm at this Dollar Tree and they actually have a lot of different spa stuff. I keep seeing everybody rave about this charcoal soap and sponge in one, so I picked up 2. They've got these loofah soaps, all these different bath bombs, all these different scrubs, but I thought that these were super cool. They got a lot of face masks right now, and then this new brand I've never seen before with serums, eye creams. Here's another. This is a rose oil and a facial jelly balm. Oh no, super cute. I think I might have to pick some up. Himalayan bath salts.
Mom has that one.
Got a lot of stuff at this one. I also found these cute under eye and lip masks. Give them a try. Here's another shampoo scrubber.
Best Dollar Tree finds part 5. These gold baskets that are perfect to use for your room to decorate. I found these hot cold eye pads that I want to put in my mini skincare fridge. I found these Conair hair clips, and this is probably the best find so far. I love these. This jade facial roller, I really didn't need one because I already had one, but I just had to get it. This face mask applicator, and it's in this cute mint green color. These traveling bottles, and they're in like pink polka dots, and these could be seriously so useful. This velvet scrunchie, I have the white one, and then I found it in this navy blue color. These adorable mini brushes, these are so perfect for your purse or traveling. This 6-pack of hydrating facial masks, you seriously get 6 for $1. That is such a good deal. This exfoliating bath cloth, and I actually have one in the shower and it works so good. Cotton rounds for my toner. This craft stencil, it's perfect for painting. Giant Dollar Tree haul, part 1. I've been on the hunt for these. These are floating shelves, and I got 2 of these. They come with screws so you can hang on your wall, perfect for decorations. I'm probably going to paint them white so they can match my colors. I also found these adorable little face holders. You can use this for holding makeup brushes or pencils or pens. They are smaller, so I got 2 of them. These are seriously so cute. I got these heart candy molds, and this is from Ro, and she has a YouTube channel, and she's a baker. I love her videos. I couldn't believe they had this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Dollar Tree is killing it with their organizers. I got this 2-pack of these like square design ones, and this is in a baby pink color. I got these longer organizers to put on my vanity. These are perfect for makeup brushes or like eyeliners and stuff like that. I also got these bigger organizers. I'm going to use these to organize my phone cases. One of them is like a medium size and the other one's a large. Watch out for part 2.